శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ద్వితీయ స్కంధం, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Srimannarayana's, Sri Mahavishnu's avatarams to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, once upon a time I did Satrayagam, such a big yajnam. Satre mamasa bhagavan hayasirashadho. When I was doing that yajnam, Sakshat Paramatma came out as Hayagriva Swami. Sakshat Sayajna Purushaha Tapaniya Varnaha. With a beautiful golden color, Hayagriva Swami came out of that yajna. Suvarna Varnudunu Vedamayundu Akhilantaratmakundu Anupama Yajna Purushudu. He has beautiful color on his body, and he is the embodiment of Vedas, and he is a soul to all the devatas. O Narada, when he was exhaling from his nose సమస్త పావనమగు నాసికా శ్వసన వర్గములందు ఉదయించే వేదముల్ వాచో బభూవు ఉసతీః శ్వసతః అస్య నస్తః. ఫ్రమ్ హిజ్ నోస్, when Paramatma was exhaling from Hayagriva Swami's nose, all the Vedas came out, and all the Vedas were started vibrating so auspiciously all over. Everybody started listening such a beautiful melodious Veda mantras from his nose. O Narada, that is how Hayagriva Swami again brought all the Vedas into existence, and he was worshipped by all the Vedic recommended rituals. O Narada, all the devatas also gets worshipped by Vedic recommended rituals. So Paramatma Hayagriva Swami is the soul to all those devatas. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Hayagriva Swami's avataram to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.